friends, welcome to Born to be Zesty. If you're new here, my name is Tori. My YouTube channel is a celebration of self-care through fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, primarily for the fierce and fabulous over 40, but all are welcome to enjoy the zesty flavors. I also share my passions for food, fitness, and home decor. On this channel, I unapologetically pour into self so that I can be at my best to pour into others. If that sounds like your vibe, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you're someone who lives an active lifestyle, you love active wear, or you simply like to go about your day in comfort and style and clothing that moves with you, this video is for you. So a big shout out to G4Free for sponsoring today's video. So G4Free is an activewear brand. They are sold on Amazon. It all started with yoga pants, but they are no longer just a yoga pant destination. They've got everything you need for your active lifestyle, including yoga. It is a fantastic, sustainable brand that creates innovative athleisure wear that is comfortable, made with high quality fabric that move with you to support your active lifestyle. Although they are an athleisure brand, as we know, athleisure is not just for active wear. It's for everyday casual wear so that you can go about your busy day and be productive because you feel comfortable and you look great. Now, I live in active wear because I am a true gym rat, but if my active wear can go run errands with me thereafter, all the better. Sign me up. I'm absolutely here for it. So I've got some great pieces to share with you guys from G4Free. So girl, let's get into it. We can start off with the outfit that I'm wearing today because first of all, it's super cute. You can definitely run errands in this. You can go shopping. You can drop the kids off at school. You can go for a casual lunch or head on into a yoga class. This look absolutely takes you everywhere, and these pants are fantastic. So as you can see, they've got the nice high waist, no gaping in the back, and I'm really loving this nice wide waistband. You've got the pockets here at the hips. You've got the welt pockets here on the back. But hello, look at how they fit the bum. Like, they've got a relaxed, somewhat wide leg that I'm absolutely loving. Definitely gives it a little bit more of a fashion flair. These are super cute, and this is in like a really nice dark navy color. These are so incredibly flattering, and I'm loving them. I'm wearing these in a size small. The fit is right on point. For reference, I am 5'6". I'm 125 pounds, a US size 2 to 4, and a 34 double D. The quality is great. The price is fantastic. The fit is amazing. So let me show you what else I got. These are really good. Like, I am loving these. This is a cute little outfit too. Okay, seriously, let's try on the next piece. So next up, I have this like little half zip pullover that I am absolutely loving. I did check. This one I did actually pick up in a size medium. As I mentioned before, I am a 34 double D. I am busty for my size. So I generally tend to kind of go oversized in tops. I definitely could have gone with my regular size in this and sized down to a small. I like the flowy feel of this, and the fabric is absolutely fantastic, so it does work. I like the fact that it's got the long sleeves and the thumb holes. I don't know what it is about this, about that little feature. It just does it for me. Again, very, very lightweight. It feels thin, but not in a cheap, inexpensive kind of way. More of a breathable, sweat wicking, lightweight kind of feel. I'm loving the little half zip feature here. Definitely kind of gives you like that mock neck feel. And so I paired this with these joggers. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck this in so you guys can see all the features on the pants. Okay, so the pant I did get in a size small. This fabric, it kind of has the feeling of like those windbreaker pants, but not, because it also has a feeling of like that slinky, stretchy yoga pant feeling. I don't know what the magic is, but they're fantastic. Again, very lightweight. They feel great on the skin. You do have the pockets here at the hips. It's got a nice, thick elastic waistband. You do have the drawstring though for a more customizable fit. You can see the waistband in the back. Again, no gaping, fits great, looks amazing on the bum. I don't know what sorcery they're putting in these activewear fabrics, but they're flattering, which is phenomenal. Like, these look great. This has more of a like straight leg fit. Again, lightweight and breathable and super versatile. These are pieces that I can definitely mix and match with all of the garments in my activewear collection. And as I said before, these these are just great for everyday wear. I could throw this on with a cute like little casual sweater, a bomber jacket, some little like booties, sneakers, or what have you, and it just makes for a great look. But this is a great activewear pant. I could take these into the gym for lifting weights. I could take these in for a run, or as I said before, I can go to the grocery store. Isn't she cute? Okay, so last spring and summer, tennis skirts, tennis dresses, golf skirts, and the like became super popular for like street wear and everyday casual wear, and I'm here for it. If you are a tennis or a golf girly and you're using these little adorable pieces for their true activewear purpose, good for you. Yeah, me know this is definitely going to be everyday casual wear because they're so cute and they are extraordinarily comfortable. Okay, so you've got a little mini skirt with the shorts underneath. You've got the pockets on the short. Obviously, it's used for your tennis balls, golf tees, but this is great if you're running errands and you've just got like your little card case with you, or if you're like me and I never stop putting on lip gloss and you need to have your lip gloss handy, that's perfect. I simply love the cute little flirty nature of them. I think they're absolutely adorable. This is cute. And it doesn't hurt that my husband absolutely loves me in these little tennis skirts and tennis dresses. So that's a bonus, and every time I see one that I like, I'm getting it. And all of the pieces at G4Free come in a wide range of colors and sizes. Very size inclusive, and they have a huge selection of colors to suit any and every style aesthetic. This is oh so cute, and I love it. I am wearing this in a size small. Again, the fit is perfect, and look at how cute she is. And they have this in some really cute colors, so be sure to go check it out. Okay, so next up I have these, which I am absolutely loving. Fabric on all of these pieces is just absolutely impeccable. The quality is fantastic. They are buttery soft, and look at this color. Like, this is so pretty. Now, these are very similar to the navy pair that I opened the video with, but they do have a few notable differences. So again, you do get that nice wide waistband and the nice high waist that I absolutely love. Again, no gaping in the back. And then if you notice here, this one does have like that little V in the back, which if you didn't know, visually helps to lift and shape the booty. We love that. And like the navy ones, this does have a nice relaxed fit, wide leg at the bottom. And as you can see, once again, the length on these is pretty good. Again, I am 5'6", I'm 125 pounds, US size 2 to 4, and a 34 double D. Again, I am wearing these, and all of my bottoms have been in a size small, but the biggest difference between this and the navy pair, the navy pants did have the pockets here directly on the hip. As you can see, these have more of like what I call an invisible pocket, kind of lay in the front, and they sit here instead of sitting right here on the hips. And I really like this style of pant, and it is something that I definitely recommend to women who, like myself, are hippie. A lot of times those pockets on the hips can just add that extra fabric sitting right on the hips. Sometimes they flare, depending on your body and the pant and the cut and all of those things. Sometimes they can tend to give you that little bit of extra fabric here on the hips. So if that is something that you're looking to avoid, a pant that has either no pockets at the hips or has these great kind of like invisible pockets is absolutely perfect. Very plush feel, lightweight, sweat wicking, that fantastic innovative fabric, looks amazing on the body, and relaxed fit. Now, this is definitely a great yoga pant or for any of your active activities. But as you can see, I mean, look at how cute this looks. Like, this is an outfit, and I could very easily throw on like a cute like little zippy jacket, a little cardigan over my shoulders, and it's adorable. I love pieces that are versatile, especially when it comes to activewear. If they can serve multiple purposes in my wardrobe, all the better. And these are fantastic. Here we have another pair of pants, and I think that this one to me appears to be like a cross between all three of the pants that I shared with you all, and I think these are my favorite. Okay, so let's get into the details. So again, we've got that lightweight, super buttery soft, sweat wicking fabric, that fantastic innovative fabric that G4 has in all of their garments. So, but look at the details on this one. So we've still got that nice high waist that I love, that really nice wide waistband. So like the other black pair, this one does have the drawstring, so you do have the customizable fit here in the waist, although you don't see the elastication detail that you saw in that pair. Good length. Again, do keep in mind I'm 5'6", very relaxed in the leg. This one does have a bit more of kind of like that wide leg, very similar to the navy pair as well as the mauve pair that I just tried on. These two also have more of that invisible pocket. So the pockets are not sitting right on your hips, they're sitting a little bit more in the front, so you don't have that flaring of the pockets or that additional fabrication sitting here right on the hips. These are really, really nice, and I definitely think that these are my favorite. They feel amazing, they look really good. Again, the fabric is super comfortable and really very flattering. They sit up nice and high, no rolling down on you, no bunching and rolling over, extraordinarily comfortable. These will be great for yoga as well as all of your other fitness activities. They move with you, they feel really good, but look at how cute they are. I mean, again, you can throw this on with like a cute little top, some cute little like sneakers, boots, sandals, what have you, and it's an everyday casual outfit. Great for running errands, casual lunch, girl, whatever it is you need to do, G4Free has got you. And isn't that what we all want from our wardrobe on a daily basis? You want to look good, feel good, and be comfortable. Loving, 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 super comfy, and again, the fit is phenomenal. So thanks again to G4Free for sponsoring today's video and for sending over all of these phenomenal activewear pieces for me to share with all of the sister friends. Be sure to go check them out on Amazon, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the pinned comment for the product links on all of the items that I shared with you guys today. So thanks again for spending a portion of your day with me. I greatly appreciate it. Wherever you are in the world, I hope that you are walking in gratitude and that you're dreaming big and living even bigger. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.